Ngayon naman ay ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano sineset up itong Epson L5590. Ipa-follow natin syempre kung ano yung nasusulat sa kanyang manual. Umpisa natin dito sa number 1, tanggalin natin yung tape. Ang sunod naman natin gagawin ay isaksak. Ito guys yung cord niya. Sabi dito sa number 2, select the printer setup method. Kapag no, sundin lang itong written manual. Kapag naman daw yes, pindutin natin yung button until it flashes. Ayan. Ayan, nagpa-flash na siya. Sunod, install Epson Smart Panel. Ito, sa cellphone. Ayan, is Epson Smart Panel. Yan, yan yung itsura niya. Install lang natin siya. Open. Kalagay dito, you can set up the printer while watching instruction on your smart device. By using the app, you can remotely control the printer on your smart device or perform more diverse printing through the app. Na-download na natin. I-agree lang natin tong mga terms and condition nila. Tsaka privacy statement. Next. You need to share your smartphone's location to connect with the product. Tap next to allow access to this app. If you are allowed to select the precision, select precise. While using the app, set up on your product. Turn on Bluetooth in your smartphone settings. So turn on. Searching for the product. L5590 series. And let's get ready for ink initialization. Continue. Stay in front of the printer. Do not turn off the printer while setting up. Continue. Check the following. Select the date format from the list. 24-hour format. You will now prepare the printer. Let's start with ink. Open daw natin to. Prepare the ink starting with black. Dahil may sealed pa siya, sunod-sunod rin natin tanggalin. Yan guys yung black oh. Open the cup daw. Open the cup. Shala. Tangkas an upper line and when the ink reaches the line, it automatically stops flowing from the bottle, so don't worry. Nakalagay dito, yung buksan daw yon. Ayun. Langan pala ay nakasentro. Nakaka-nervous to ah. Tama yan. Kung makikita nyo guys doon, oh, mataas yung ink ko. Hindi ka naman matatakot pala na aapaw yung ink kasi pag daw na-reach niya yung line, hihinto naman siyang kusa. Na-reach niya na yung line. Remove the black ink bottle from the package. Buti lang natin. Ay, ang galing. Hindi naman siya pala umaagos. Tatakpan muna natin siya, no? Kunti lang natira. Ulit-ulit lang natin yun hanggang mailagay natin itong lahat ng kulay. Okay? Takpan daw natin to. Fix naman yung cyan, guys. Takpan natin to. Open. Tapak natin yung magenta. Bunutin na rin natin. Sarado natin to. Salpak naman natin yung yellow. Bawal daw itong magkabalibaliktad sila ng kulay. Kailangan din talagang maingat at dapat sumunod sa manual. Are all the ink tanks filled? Yes natin to. Close the ink tank cover. If all ink tanks are not filled with ink before you continue, you may damage the printer. Nalagyan naman natin lahat. So yes na to. Let's start ink initialization. Start natin. Initialization is in progress. Please wait until it is complete. Kung makikita nyo dun guys, meron ditong masulat. Do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. This takes about 11 minutes. So matagal-tagal pala to guys. May nag-appear dito. While the ink is initializing, let's connect the printer to Wi-Fi. So continue natin. Connect the printer to Wi-Fi? Yes. Checking communication. Connect the product to your wireless network. Do you want to use the network shown below? Yes. Ito yung Wi-Fi namin, yung G-Fiber. Wi-Fi network password is required. Next. Password is usually shown on the side of the router. Next lang natin. Tinatang dito, did you confirm the passwords? Yes lang natin. Some characters are similar in shape, so make sure you enter the correct ones. You must use the correct characters or you will not be able to connect to Wi-Fi. Next. Yung password, so hindi na namin ipapakita sa inyo syempre. Ayan na guys. Okay natin. Do you want to connect the printer to Wi-Fi using the following information? Yes. Preparing settings. Wait until the printer's Wi-Fi setting is complete. It takes up to 2.5 minutes. Matagal siya mag-connect ha. Bago yun, pansin nyo guys, nabawasan na yung mga ink niya no, during initializing, lalo na yung black. Base naman yan sa pagre-review namin, nung talagang ganyan siya. Sabi nung isang YouTube vlogger ay talaga daw sa unang setup ng printer ay agad niyang nakakain yung malaking amount ng black ink. Part ng process, wala namang dapat ipag-alala. Pero sayang yun, ano? Ba't nakakapag-print na kami doon? Wi-Fi setup is complete. The smartphone and printer are connected. Next, wait until the ink initialization is complete. Kaya na. Initialization is complete. Next, the printer is ready to use. Follow the instruction on the printer's control panel to check the print quality of your printer. Next, you need help downloading paper, watch the video below. Next, you want to set up the printer to fax? If not, you can set it up later. Fax, hindi naman pa namin siya kailangan siguro, so set it up later. No. When the screen below appears on the printer, select Setup Later. Next, do you want to connect computer to your printer? No, syempre wala pa kaming computer. For instruction on using your printer, see the documentation included with it. Next, all set. Now check out all the great features in the Epson Smart Panel app. Next, ito na yung interface niya. Piliin natin tong Use Style. Checking firmware version. Meron daw latest firmware. Lagi tayong dun sa dated. Agree natin yan. Okay. So, ayan. So, sabi kanina dun sa cellphone, follow na lang daw natin yung nasa screen para ma-check yung quality ng print natin, no? Palagay dito, initialization complete. May button dito na OK is equal to done. Ito yung button ng OK. So, align the print head, get the best print quality. Proceed lang natin, okay? Perform a print head nozzle check to check print quality. Print. Load A4 size plain paper in rare paper feeder to start printing. Load daw tayo ng A4. Ang gamit namin guys, no, na papel ay pinili namin yung hard copy na brand A4 kasi ito yung madalas namin nakikita sa mga printing station. Meron dito yung option na mag-back at saka mag-print. So mag-print tayo at ito yung print button. Kinain na ang first print natin. Ano ko lang, sample. Ayun, yung lumabas sa kanyang print. Kita nyo guys, malinaw yung pagkaka-print. And then sabi dito kasi, dapat daw ay walang kahit anumang kulang dito sa mga linya na to para masabi na yung printer ay hindi sira yung printer head. So, nakalagay naman dito sa screen niya, are there any missing segments? So, pindot natin yung no. Wala naman kasing regularity dun sa print. Align print position to fix misalignment and banding. Adjust natin. Proceed. Print alignment patterns. 1 out of 4. Print. Kinain na. Select the pattern that shows no gap or dark line. Dito, wala namang pattern na may gap at saka dark line. So, proceed lang natin. 3. Proceed. Ito kasi guys, kung makikita nyo pala dyan. Sa unang tingin lang, align siya. Pero may hindi align. Yun yung gustong malaman ng system niya. At yung number 3, yung align talaga siya. Wala siyang misalignment. So, pinindot natin yung number 3. Sadan na natin yan. Okay lang. Print alignment patterns, 2 out of 4. Print tayo. Ito naman yung nilabas niya. Look at the printout and choose boxes with the least lines. On the next screen, select the number. Okay? Dito makikita nyo na yung wala daw masyadong linya. Makikita nyo yung ibang linya niya, may mga parang guhit-guhit yung pagkakaprint, no? Piliin daw natin yung walang linya halos talaga. Parang yung 5. I-proceed natin. So dito nakalagay dito yung 4. Taas natin sa 5. Okay natin. Number 1 yung kanina pinili natin yung 5, no? Then sa number 2 naman is number 4. So number 4 yung naka-indicate dito, so okay na lang natin siya. Then sa number 3, itong number 5. Taas natin sa 5, then okay. Then sa number 4 naman, number 5 din. Proceed. Sa number 5, 5 pa rin. So adjust natin sa 5, then proceed. The last one, pinakamalinaw dito ay number 5 pa rin. Adjust natin sa 5. Okay. Print alignment patterns, 3 out of 4. Then, print. Okay. Ito naman yung lumabas. Select the pattern that shows no gap or dark line. Proceed lang natin. Okay. Number 5. Number 2 naman ay number 4. Ang number 4 naman na siya, done lang natin. Print alignment patterns, number 4 out of 4. Print tayo. Makas pala to sa bond paper guys, sa umpisa. Use rectangles that are not separated or overlap. So, number 5 na lang tayo. 5. Proceed. Number 5. Printed alignment complete. You can adjust again from maintenance. Fax setting wizard, connect the phone line. Dahil hindi pa natin kailangan yung fax eh. Set up natin siya later. Pindutin natin daw yung number sign. Set up later. Fax is not set up yet. Remind you later. Una lang natin siya. Ito naman. The new firmware is available. Updating firmware may solve certain problems. Proceed natin. Okay, proceed. To check for new firmware release, the printer needs internet connection. So proceed. The update takes several minutes and cannot stop halfway. Start now. So yes. Using the firmware, you agree to the end user license agreement for users in the United States. You agree to important legal terms and conditions, including a class action waiver and arbitration release. Please read carefully. So agree lang natin yan. Preparing to update. Updating, do not turn off, power off. Pero dahil parang hindi umaba yung video natin, ay atin munang putulin yung video. Yan, mukhang tapos na. So may lumabas dito ang customer research, no? Participate in the future design of Epson products. By approving, you agree to allow Seiko Epson Corporation to collect printer usage data to help improve our products. Check the following link for details. So may mga QR code pa dito, oh. So may option dito to reject o i-approve or check later. So siguro check later na lang to.